Resolve, DaVinci Resolve.
Have you noticed how so many top YouTubers are saying goodbye to Premiere Pro and switching to DaVinci? What's going on? Should you switch to? As a professional Premiere Pro user, the timeline is my playground where all the editing happens, and the dynamic link, it's my partner in crime. So what's so special about DaVinci that Premiere Pro doesn't have? Is it really the future of editing? Let's dig in and uncover the mystery, because I need to know if I have been missing out on something this whole time. So why are YouTubers suddenly ghosting Premiere Pro? Let's dive into the details. First off, you're in the middle of editing and suddenly something annoying little issue that pop up like uninvited guest. And let's not forget that special feeling when you have been editing for an hours and Premium decide to throw an error. It's like, thanks Premium, I really need that right now. No wonder so many creators are jumping ship and searching for something good that doesn't regret at all. In DaVinci Resolve, known for its powerful color grading tool, and wait for it, it's free and it's actually really good. It quickly became popular among editors who want to level up their game. Plus, with fewer crashes and interface, it's getting so user-friendly. It's like DaVinci trying to become everyone's favorite child. When I edited my short film in DaVinci, the playback was so smooth, I thought I was dreaming. If you haven't checked out my video where I edited my short film in just 4 hours in DaVinci, you definitely watch this video. Trust me, you wanted to see that how this newbie handled that pressure. Sorry Premiere, there is a new star in the town. And here's the problem with Adobe. Once you buy a subscription, you logged in for a whole year, whether you like it or not. And if you are dare to cancel this subscription early, they hit you with a fee that feels like a slap in the face. Half of the amount will be deducted in the remaining months. Trust me, I've been through this nightmare and it's like trying to escape from a gym membership. Let's talk about the money. I pay around 1600 rupees including GST to Adobe. Why? Because I'm using the whole gang, where I use Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, After Effects, Photoshop, character animation, and that's it. That's add up to around 20,000 per year. Now let's compare that to DaVinci. It's free, but if you want the Pro version, it's a one-time payment of around 25,000 for a lifetime license. Yep, you heard that right. Pay once and you get for the life. That's pretty much still when you think about it. But most of the people doesn't have enough cash to pay at once in DaVinci Resolve. But here leverages go to Premiere Pro, as you have to pay monthly around 1500 rupees in this software. It's like the payment plan for your creative carving. If you're still here, I'm guessing this video didn't totally suck. Go ahead and hit the like button so that more people can see this masterpiece. Now let's compare the two. In Premiere Pro, it's like you're a reliable friend that you know each other for a long time, but it's starting to get a little too unpredictable. Sometimes it's there for you, sometimes it's not. On the other hand, in DaVinci Resolve, it's still the fresh face among editor. It has potential to do what Premiere Pro do. But let's be real, Adobe Dynamic Link is like a magic in your hand. Most of the time when I clean my audio in Adobe Audition, it automatically save in Premiere Pro with the same effect. But there's a downside. Switching isn't as easy as sounds. Learning the DaVinci has a little bit tricky. It has different timeline to do your stuff. If you want to edit your video cut, so there's a different timeline for that. If you want to add some effect in your audio, there's a different timeline. If you want to color grade your footage, it has a different timeline. So learning all this stuff takes time. So is DaVinci's future of editing? Honestly, it depends. If you're someone who values stability, professional color grading and hates paying monthly fees, it might time to pack your bags and join DaVinci crew. But if you're super comfortable with Premiere and can overlook its quirks, and sticking to it might be the best bet. At the end of the day, the choice is yours. Both programs have their strengths and weaknesses, and the right one for you, it's depend on your editing needs and how much frustration you're willing to endure. Either way, the world of editing evolving, and whether it's Premiere or DaVinci, what matters most that how you tell your story.